It is such a hot day. I'm gonna make a smoothie today. I don't know how to mix these in the right amount. 1/2, 1/4. What does that mean? Maybe I can find a video online to help.
Today we'll be learning about fractions. So, what is a fraction? Let's say you wanted to share a cake with your 3 friends, including yourself. That means there are 4 equal pieces of cake you'll need to cut. Now let's say only 2 of your friends end up eating the cake. What fraction of cake is left over? To find out, we need to count the total number of pieces eaten and the total number of pieces cut. These 2 numbers give us the fraction of cakes eaten. This is useful for determining how much cake is left and how much you and your friends ate. Now, let's see what these fractions look like. So now, all fractions have names. This one is called 1/2 or 1/2. The number on the bottom is the number of pieces of cake is cut into, while the number on the top refers to the number of individual pieces. The bigger the number in the bottom, the smaller the piece of cake, because the number of pieces go up. The bigger the number on the top, the more individual pieces of cake you have. So now, just like you add numbers like 1 plus 1 equals to 2, you can also add fractions. Let's try to add 1/2 with 1/2. Looking at the cake cut into 2 pieces, what do we get when we add 1/2 of the cake with the other 1/2 of the cake? We end up with a full cake. Now, let's say we cut into 4 equal pieces. Let's now try to add 1/4 with 1/4. Looking at the cake cut into 4 pieces, what do we get when we add 1/4 of a cake with another 1/4 of a cake? Look. We end up with 1/2 of a full cake. This shows that by adding smaller fractions together, we can have bigger fractions. I hope you learned a lot about fractions today and hopefully get a chance to see and use fractions in your day-to-day activities.
Wow, that was so useful. Now you can make our delicious smoothies using the right fractions. Okay, so now let's assemble. I'm going to be pouring 1 cup of strawberries into the blender. Now we have a cup, and I'm going to be pouring it into the blender. And now I'm going to be pouring 2/4 of blueberries into the blender. And then another 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 2/4, which is equivalent to 1/2. And now I'm going to be pouring a 1/2 cup of spinach into the blender. off to the milk, I'm going to be pouring 1 cup and a half. This is 1 cup. This is half a cup. Half a cup. Lastly, I'm going to be putting 1 whole banana into the blender. Now I know how fractions work and I can make wonderful smoothies.